Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. Women's Day. 8th March is celebrated as International Women's Day all over the world. It is the day where achievements of women in the field of social, political, environmental, cultural sectors and to women from all corners of the world celebrate. We get to see pictures of women from all walks of life who broke the rigid boundaries and achieved success. The first ever Women's Day dates back to 1900s where women were fighting for their rights. It was like a liberation era. History speaks about the small mindset society had towards women. She was expected to live indoors and her contribution was limited only to households. Social expectations even included the way of her dressing and hair. She was denied of education, right to speak, property, etc. The world now value is upgraded by means of technology, globalization, modernization, and competition has made innovation and discoveries possible. Women now are not leaving any opportunities of success or improvement, but the issue of safety and security remains a threat in their development. Certain policies and uncertain planning in the job sector may result in adverse situation. If a woman is young, she is doubted for her capabilities. If a woman is old, she is mocked for her age. In the name of freedom and modernization, women is treated as commodity used for commercial purposes and exploited. This has blackened the dignity and honor of women. Likewise, these type of narrow-minded thoughts are little or on the verge of extinction when it comes to opposite gender. Various religions across the world have their concepts and myths about women. Holy Quran says status of woman and family are the two central unit for the formation of a society. Beginning few surahs or chapters gives us details about status of women in Islam and also shows us the glimpses of ignorant years of human civilization. Islam has given equal rights to women. She has right to education, right to inheritance, right to speak up in family matters. She has the right to speak about meher, an obligation in the form of money or possession during marriage and also during divorce or separation. Women as a daughter, wife, mother, sister has various responsibilities and rights in Islam. She is respected and dignified in all manners. She is the smile of young and old ones. She is the existence of happy family. She is the epitome of culture and beauty. She is allowed to work for the betterment of community or for employment. Islam has raised the standard and position of women in the society. It removed darkness and troubles from the lives of women folks. Obligation of parda and status of mother is the most highlighted issue. The honor and obedience towards mother is such that heaven lies under her feet. There is no concept of old age homes in Islam. Women deserve love, care, affection, sympathy, kindness in the various stages of her life, as she is the responsible owner or guardian and eligible to give advices and opinions. Every day is a Women's Day.